Handheld gaming in 2025 is heating up. Steam Deck OLED, Ally X, Legion Go 2, and then there's MSI Claw 8 AI+. It looks promising with Intel's new Ultra 7 chip, 8-inch VRR screen, and a massive battery. But MSI's last attempt didn't exactly go well, so have they redeemed themselves? MSI's first handheld was, let's be honest, a mess. The original Claw launched with poor performance, bad optimization, and software that felt half-baked. But with the 8 AI+, MSI is doubling down with Intel's second-gen Core Ultra chip and improved cooling. On paper, it outperforms the Z1 Extreme in certain benchmarks, thanks to faster RAM and Intel's driver updates. The 8-inch 120Hz display is bigger than the Ally X's and sharper than the Steam Deck's. The 80-watt-hour battery is also pretty solid, keeping up with the competition. But here's the problem. Power means nothing without stability. If you've seen benchmark charts, you'd think the Claw 8 is the new king of handheld gaming. It should have been if benchmarks told full stories. Some days, this thing runs like a dream, smooth frame rates and solid performance. Other days, frame drops, stuttering, and input lag randomly appear. 1 minute, Cyberpunk is running beautifully. The next, you're rubber banding like it's a multiplayer game with bad ping. And it's not just an isolated issue. Tons of users report the same thing. The problem? MSI's software is all over the place, with AI-powered TDP management that doesn't work and settings that sometimes refuse to save. To put it simply, the Claw 8 is the most powerful handheld on paper, but the least consistent in real-world gaming. Beyond performance, the Claw 8 brings a few more notable upgrades. The device comes in 2 screen sizes, an 8-inch 120Hz VRR panel, and a 7-inch option for those who prefer a smaller form factor. The 80-watt-hour battery is on the larger side, but given the power draw, battery life is still a concern. For controls, MSI has made improvements over the original Claw, with Hall effect joysticks to reduce drift issues and tactile face buttons that feel solid to press. However, the D-pad has been a major complaint. Its raised ridges make quarter circle and half circle movements uncomfortable, especially for fighting games. It feels stiff and isn't as fluid as what you'd find on a Steam Deck or Ally X. Claw 8 also has some of the best-sounding speakers on a gaming handheld, delivering clear highs, solid bass, and good volume levels. While most handhelds have mediocre sound, MSI has stepped it up here. As for the ports, MSI includes dual Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, allowing for faster data transfer, external GPU support, and simultaneous charging while using accessories. There's also a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, something that's always appreciated on handhelds with limited internal space. If you just want raw performance, comfort, and reliability, the ROG Ally X is still the best Windows handheld right now. The Claw 8 edges out the Ally X in raw power, but loses hard in stability. Meanwhile, the Ally X has better ergonomics, better software, and fewer headaches. Battery life is comparable between the two, but the Ally X handles TDP scaling better, making it more efficient. The Steam Deck OLED might not be the most powerful, but it's the best plug-and-play option out there. No driver issues, no broken overlays, no weird TDP fluctuations. Just pick it up and game. Compared to the Claw 8, it's weaker in raw power, but far more consistent. And with SteamOS built in, performance optimizations are way ahead of Windows-based handhelds. Right now, the best move is to wait and see. MSI has made big promises with the Claw 8, but we've heard that before. The hardware is there, but as it stands, the software is holding it back. Random performance drops, inconsistent TDP scaling, and driver issues mean that you're rolling the dice on stability. If MSI can fix these problems with updates, this could become one of the best Windows handhelds out there. But if history repeats itself, it's just another powerful device crippled by bad software. On the flip side, the Ally X and Steam Deck OLED have proven track records and offer a much smoother experience right now. So, unless you like being an early tester, the smart move is to hold off and see if MSI delivers on its updates. If they can get this thing running properly, it could be a real contender.
I have detected the drive sounds of an incoming crater. Durability is falling, and you've no repair kits. Tread carefully. Nice aim. Enda has sustained damage. Incubator destroyed.